5 things I wish I knew before buying a motorcycle. Number 1 is how expensive it really is. More specifically, if you're a beginner trying to take the MSF course. Get ready to pay anywhere from $50 to $400 depending on what state you live in. Number 2 is how expensive riding gear is. I really didn't think about how much I'd be spending on gear beyond just my helmet. And I know this sounds a bit silly, but I didn't really budget for any other gear. But you're definitely gonna need gear from head to toe. I'll give you a little breakdown on how much it'll cost. Helmets can range from $100 to $500, jackets $100 to $250, pants $100 to $250, riding boots or shoes can go anywhere from $100 to $300, and riding gloves anywhere from $25 to $80, which totals out to $600 or even $1,000 just on gear. And this doesn't even include the cost of the bike. Number 3 is how much the weather actually affects your ride. This was something I never really thought about until I experienced it. When it rains and you're riding, sometimes it hurts. When it's super windy for me on the highways, I lose control of my bike a little bit, and especially on turns, I just have to stay more focused. And if you live in a state where it snows, you're gonna have to think about what you're gonna do with your bike on the off season. Do you have a place to store your bike in the winter? And did you think about the fact that you won't be able to ride your bike year round because of this? Number 4 is modifications. I didn't even think I would want to do any modifications on my bike, but I think it's inevitable. But of course, that's another cost that I didn't expect. And they can get kind of pricey. I replaced my exhaust and that was a couple $100s. And on that same topic, I did not expect motorcycles to be so easy to work on. I thought things like modifications and maintenance would be super hard to do, but it was way less intimidating than I thought, which is why you'll be tempted to do more and more modifications.
Hey Gearheads, first of all, if you like what you just watched, hit that subscribe and like button for me. It helps keep the videos rolling. Second of all, a buddy of mine sent me this video, and I just want to point out those 5 things that she mentioned in the video is so true. So all you new riders out there, or even you veteran riders out there that's been riding for a while, you guys probably know the pain of what she went through. Freedom on a motorcycle is not as cheap as you think it is, but it's worth the freedom that you get that comes with a motorcycle. But what impressed me the most about this video that I just watched was what she said at the end, when she said that she takes the initiative to learn how to wrench on her own motorcycle, guys. That is huge kudos for me for that, because I know so many guys out there that wouldn't even know the first thing how to change the oil on their motorcycle, let alone take the initiative to learn how to ride their, let alone take the initiative to even learn how to work on their bikes. So kudos to her for that, guys. Take care.